Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Hearts of Iron. Last episode, not much happened on my front, but Bulgaria has continued to expand its territory by taking out Greece. And I believe Serbia and Romania will be soon, because the Ottomans are dicks, and they decided to join. Like, they're gonna lose this war pretty fast here, unless something happens. I guess, like, maybe if Egypt went in. Hungary is slowly collapsing. They've lost a lot of land. Albania was annexed at least, so that gives... Wait, what? Oh, they joined on the other side now. Opens up the front a little more, gives a little less pressure now, I guess. What the fuck is Commonwealth of Canada doing? And now New England exists. Marvelous. Romania's done. That just leaves little old Serbia. With Albania, this little puppet. It's a dumb idea to start this war. This war 2 is probably gonna end soon, so I gotta step up my pressure. Well, I guess we can't do that. I might as well just try to get some land out of it. We have to be at peace, and obviously these nubs are not at peace. Ooh, asserting independence. Big man on campus. So you're no longer a puppet. What are you doing? Store the Bunderist in political power. This is key to getting this done, because obviously they're not at peace. Moving in on Skokie here. Ooh, that's a little African war. I don't care about that. So Bulgaria now controls 66% of southern Albania. Ooh. Okay, so what's the peace deal? I don't think they actually lost anything. Oh wait, no, they lost Nice. Greece got a demilitarized zone here. Romania lost that. That was not a good war. Olatinia is now demilitarized. Okay. We want our lands back, boy. Research. It's gonna be done in like 5 days. You want mass assault. Our next focus is going to be ending Black Monday. When is this referendum or whatever? Ethnic assimilation. Okay, well I don't know what's going on with that. Man, they're pushing real far. Look at all those lands they've gained so far. You have lost all this. Damn it. Let's do our German territories next, I guess. Cyprus just got independence that quickly. Kurdistan still exists, but it's holding out. Alright, Germany, hook us up with our land. Doesn't work, doesn't work. But here's our capital of the Lithuanian Commonwealth. Ah, it's right there. So that's 10, and Warsaw's 10. Hungary's still holding on because of the mass amount of volunteers it has. You can see it's got volunteers from, as the list goes, Germany, Bulgaria, Canada, Egypt, Russia, and Ukraine. Communism is running in the world like crazy. We definitely need to do something before communism grows too fast, too expansive. Hungary, you just gotta hold on. Russia attacking the Alash Orda. I need the world tension to increase, so I can do that. France, you do anything cool? Oh geez, that faction is getting stronger. It's forming like a wall. All it stands in the way of screwing over Germany is that. Consolidated victory, you scrub. Let's work on improving that. And we're almost gonna. Ooh, you got that. Ooh, but you didn't get this land, you sneaky little bugger, you. Okay. Germany, I would like my lands back, please. God damn it, German scrub. Wait, you pieced out with him? Hungary got independence. Ooh. And who won that? Hopefully the non-communists? And it was. So everyone's becoming communist in this world. I probably should have gone syndicalist. It's probably my best bet. So, does that mean I can do this focus? It does. Try that again next episode. So far, we've been rejected twice, but we'll see what happens there. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe for more Hearts of Iron.